Hello, and welcome to David Attenborough. Today we'll be exploring the wildlife in this wonderful park and discovering some new species. Come with me. Here we have the valley, where the water sometimes floods over the top and creates a lovely moist landscape for the new inhabitants of the land. Follow me now down to the lake. Here we have a bag of dog shit. Owners sometimes leave their dog shit in the environment to pollute it, so other walkers get shit on their shoes. Moving on. Right, it seems this water is very deep. I'm going to have to do what's called in the business jump, okay? So back up a little bit, this is going to be dangerous. Some say this river contains AIDS-infested boners, but we shall never know. I am now going to attempt to call the alligators. I think I hear some frogs. I will now attempt to call the frogs.
I can't do that.
I'm now going to attempt to call frogs. I'll now attempt to call the frogs. Frogs! 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 Occasionally, giraffes come into this water, so I now attempt to call the giraffes. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, did it! Let's go.
Yeah.